guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Terrisa, and today we are going to be making a vegan version of a Crunchwrap Supreme from Taco Bell. Hello, goodbye, thank you. Listen, I just go to Taco Bell, vegan, and I get like potatoes instead of meat, like no sour cream, and like, but we are gonna get crazy, and we're gonna do the meat and the creaminess and the cheesiness and oh my god. Okay, let's just jump in. For this one, I'm gonna go classic and use a mock meat. So we're gonna do impossible because I'm sorry, impossible is better than beyond. You can front me in the comments below. Okay, so as you can see, we have her going away. We got a lot of oil in there because we need to add extra fat. So we're going to brown her like we would beef, you know? It's so crazy how much it looks like regular meat. Like, oh, it's freaking me out. So they still have a little bit of pink spots, but because we're going to let this cook a little bit longer, I don't want it to get too tough because I find with like the fake meat, sometimes like you don't want to overcook it, you know what I mean? So we're going to add our taco seasoning and a little bit of water. And then we're going to take our cute little kitty cat and we're going to mix this up and let this go for another just couple minutes. Now for assembly. So we have some of our beautiful impossible meat. It looks, you guys, it just like, can we just, what? Okay, so we have a little bit of that, and to that we're going to add our little like nacho cheese sauce. So what I'm using is Wayfarer's cheddar. They do have like a nacho cheese or jalapeno cheddar, but I can only find this one this time. So you know what we're going to do? We're just going to suck it up and use this one because I know it's delicious and melts beautifully. So it's a little thick right now, but I know once we like get it heated up, it's going to be like nice and melty tits. And now is where we would put the tostada on. But I can't find no tostadas, okay? I live in Redneckville, Mountain Town, USA. So I just took hard taco shells and just broke them in half. Like, hello. And just stick those babies on there. And then we're going to add some sour cream because we're doing a Crunchwrap Supreme. So of course we're doing Wayfair sour cream because it is the best sour cream, okay? So we're going to put that on there. Then a little shredded lettuce action. And now is where you would put like your little chopped up tomatoes, right? But I'm a lazy ass bitch. And I'm just going to use some pico. It's going to give us a little bit of extra flavor as well. And then we're just going to start wrapping her up very carefully like a, oh no, don't do what I did. Like a crunch wrap. Oh no, we're gonna have a little extra hangover. Ooh, you know what we should do? Hold on. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of extra, you know, like a little beep beep. So now when we fold it over, we don't have any extra mess. And I have my cast iron heating up, and we're gonna toast this bad boy on all sides, putting the folded side down first. You guys! Okay. Woo! Alright. I needed this can for the picture because it was going to fall over. So let me see if I can grab a piece. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, no, my hair. My luscious locks from Amazon. Okay, what? Okay, what? Okay. Greg.
Wait, what the fuck?
It's literally been like, what, 4 or 5 years? 5 years? 4 years? 5? Oh my god, oh my god.
That's a fucking crunch wrap.
Supreme. Alright.
I'm shook.
I get it. Everybody's got their own, like, crunch wraps around town. Do it the way I did this. And I'm telling you, you will have success. Use the Wayfair. I'm spitting. Use the Impossible. Like, oh my god. 10 out of 10. Full written recipe. You can call it a recipe. Will be linked below. MidnightMunchiesandMore.com. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. Hey, Taco Bell, bring back your loaded potatoes! Bring back the potatoes! Okay. I love you guys. I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, I will read up, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.